Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to place a call on Nextiva. I know that Nextiva is a great phone system, but it can be a little confusing to use if you're not familiar with it. That's why I'm here to help. In this video, I'll cover the basics of placing a call on Nextiva, including how to make a call from your desktop, mobile phone, or web browser. I'll also show you how to use the call log and voicemail features. So, let's get started. How to place a call on Nextiva. There are a few different ways to place a call on Nextiva. Here are the most common methods. From your desktop, open the Nextiva app. Click on the dialer tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Click on the call button. From your mobile phone, download and install the Nextiva app on your mobile phone. Open the app. Sign in to your account. Click on the dialer tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Click on the call button. From your web browser, go to the Nextiva website. Sign in to your account. Click on the dialer tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Click on the call button. Additional tips. You can also place a call on Nextiva by using the Quick Dial feature. To do this, simply click on the Quick Dial tab and select the contact you want to call. You can also place a call on Nextiva by using the Contacts tab. To do this, simply click on the Contacts tab and select the contact you want to call. You can also place a call on Nextiva by using the Recents tab. To do this, simply click on the Recents tab and select the call you want to repeat. Call log. The call log is a record of all your recent calls. You can use it to see who you've called, when you called them, and how long the call lasted. To access the call log, simply click on the Call Log tab. Voicemail. Voicemail is a feature that allows you to leave and receive voice messages. To access your voicemail, simply click on the Voicemail tab. That's all there is to it. I hope this video has helped you learn how to place a call on Nextiva. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.